Weatherford Baku Industrial Center. Weatherford Baku Industrial Center contains the following segments: Warehouse 1, well screens; Warehouse 2, tubular running services; Warehouse 3, mechanized rig systems; Warehouse 4, completions and liner hanger systems; Warehouse 5, fishing and re-entry services; Warehouse 6, drilling tool rental and the welding shop. 7. Office buildings. Warehouse number 1. Warehouse number 1 is used for the secured storage of customer-owned equipment. Here we have 9 tool racks divided into 3 sections for easier side loader access and loading-offloading processes. The warehouse is equipped with a 5-ton overhead crane for safe and efficient lifting operations, a full range of sized screens and screen accessories used by BP in Azerbaijan, such as 4-inch, 4¼ inch, 5-inch, and 7-inch are stored in this warehouse. The inventory supervisor manages inventory and logistics processes. Central store in Warehouse 1. A caged and secured area with single access equipped with pallet racking systems built on both sides and a temperature-controlled cold room for storage, dispatch and inventory control of all Weatherford Azerbaijan product line stock items and elastomers. A pedestrian-operated reach truck can be used in this area for stacking and unloading rackings. The whole process can be controlled by 2 storemen. Warehouse number 2. Warehouse number 2 is separated into the 4 subdivisions of servicing, dismantling for inspection, MPI, and function testing of power and handling equipment for TRS department as per daily requirements. It is also equipped with a storage area to store slow and/or fast utilized power tongs, Varco elevators, flash-mounted slips, cement heads, fill-up tools, and various handling equipment. The equipment receiving and load-out areas are likewise used as equipment final check areas prior to packing into baskets. In addition, there is a paint shop, wheel abrader, paint remover, for prior used equipment being sent for inspection, MPI and inspection areas which are built next to each other to reduce forklift operations. The warehouse is equipped with a 10-ton overhead crane for safe and efficient lifting operations and 2 by 20-foot office containers. Warehouse number 3. Warehouse number 3 is also equipped with a 10-ton capacity overhead crane and AMC ComCan bucking unit for make and/or break non-premium, premium connections with the capability of handling from 1-inch up to 15-inch with a max of 80,000 foot-pounds make-up and back-off ability. A 19-meter-long sectional-type fully separated pressure test bay with camera systems, emergency stop, chart recorders, and all high-pressure exposed equipment and lines contained inside and no pressure components outside the test bay is set up to support both product lines' pressure testing requirements up to 15,000 psi. This workshop is equipped with a 10-ton overhead crane for safe and efficient lifting operations. An overdrive area is equipped with various types of tool racks, a pallet racking system and pin racks for storage of X-overs, overdrive grapples and various handling equipment, as well as racks for ICT storage. There is also a dedicated area for maintenance. Hydraulic cement heads come with pin racks to store top and bottom adapters. The Jam Lab is also located in this warehouse for servicing, calibration and/or verification, servicing jam units, load cells, and torque gauges. Warehouse number 4. All shop and field personnel of liner hanger systems and cased hole completions product lines are set up in 2 by 40-foot office containers to support daily operations, as well as housing storage racks built for analyst safety valves subassemblies, liners, packers, and various completion and liners components. There are separate workshop areas set up as assembly sheds and workbench areas for liners, ACV and CHC assembly, inspection, service and maintenance of all running tools, screen and gravel pack tools, and accessories. There is also a forum rotation type breakout unit used for the bucking of premium connections, including high chrome components, as well as assembling all sizes of liners and running tools from 2 3/8 inch up to 30-inch. Similar to warehouse number 3, there is a 19-meter-long sectional type fully separated pressure test bay with camera systems, emergency stop, chart recorders, and all high-pressure exposed equipment and lines contained inside and no pressure components outside the test bay, set up to support both product lines' pressure testing requirements up to 15,000 psi. This workshop is equipped with a 5-ton overhead crane for safe and efficient lifting operations as well. Warehouse number 5. The Fishing and Re-Entry Services Workshop has a 5-ton capacity overhead crane set up with a forum-stroking high-torque type breakout unit with pull-push function for bucking drill pipe, API connections, service and maintenance of fishing, DRT, RFID tools, as well as to support LHS and TRS requirements. It is capable of handling sizes from 2 3/8 inch up to 14 inches with 160,000 max foot-pounds makeup and 20,000 foot-pounds max backoff. A forum jar tester with 100,000 pound max push-pull capacity used for function test of all sizes of daily fishing and drilling jars, slingers and bumper subs is also here. A separate storage area contains various types of tool racks, pallet racking system and pin racks for storage of daily fishing jars, well-bore cleanout tools, side track equipment, conductor milling, internal and external catch fishing tools, all types of mills and washover equipment. There is also a separate storage area for overshot and spear grapples. Equipment receiving, inspection, and release area for MPI tests and integrity verification can be found here as well. Lastly, there is the tool preparation and assembly shed and final loadout area. Warehouse number 6. The Drilling Tool Rental and RFID Product Line Workshop is equipped with a 5-ton capacity overhead crane, 20-foot container office, 40-foot laboratory and equipment inspection area, preparation and assembly shed, and final loadout area. The welding shop supports both TRS and FRE product lines. It is set up with 3 separate workplaces with a centralized extractor system and external gas storage system, racks for the blank or work-in-progress mills, a welding and equipment store and office, a Yorkie grinding unit with up to 28-inch OD grinding capacity, and a 2.5-ton jib crane for lifting and manipulation of mills from dressing point to grinding, and angle metal cutter. Weatherford is one of the largest service providers within the Caspian area, and in particular in Azerbaijan. Our ability to work with major operators and our knowledge of the local environment are well recognized. Weatherford puts these advantages to good use for our customers.